I'm from Tanzania, East Africa, from the Central Bank of Tanzania. Yeah, in my organization, we have like 5 years experience in BCM, but I joined in between of that. I started the BCM issues late in 2006. So my experience is like 5 to 6 years. In my organization, we were looking for a reputable BCM training center, and we found this one was ranked upper top 3 in the world. The decision was based on the reputation of the institution, as it gives the detailed BCM courses. One of my colleagues attended the same course in Malaysia, so he recommended for us to attend the same course. Instructors are good, conversant with the program, and they have a range of experience. What excited me, it was on the simulation exercise we did.
On the last day?
On the last day. Yeah, that was a perfect one. Improvement, what I may recommend maybe to expand your services to other countries.
Oh, okay.
Like Africa. You know, in Africa now we are starting, most of the countries are starting the BCM issues. So having you nearby or coming to assist them to give you the great advantage.